RC Basher Boy here. So today we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on this MCGRUFF 926 by GPTOYS. It's a 1/12 scale. Went ahead and I picked it up on Amazon. I left a link so you can check it out down in the description box down below. So yeah, let's get right to it. So this is basically the front of the box, and then that tells you there what's included. Like you can read it there. So now we're looking on the other side of the box. I mean, it says extra large front and rear bumpers, integrated ESC, receiver board. So just to name a few features, and it says that it's a 20 plus mile per hour vehicle. So I'm really interested to see if it actually goes that fast. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Okay, so inside the box there's the actual the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box, and we'll go from there. Okay, here's the actual truck. Charger, cable, and the owner's manual. Okay, so there's the actual truck itself. So I was actually looking for the receiver for the controller, and apparently is inside the truck. So whenever you buy one of these, the remote, it's right here. So yeah. Okay, so here's the remote. It has a good grip. You have 2 speeds, which is normal and slow. If my camera can see. You got slow, normal, and then the steering for if it's reversed or whatnot. But yeah, I mean, wheel feels good. It's a good controller. Let's see how well it does. So onto the truck. Okay, so we got the brush mortar here. It has a heat sink, and there's the ESC and receiver. They're both integrated. So, and the cool thing about this truck is it has LED lights. So for the price and everything, it's a pretty legit truck. So yeah, and then here's the steering servo. So yeah, it's a well-built truck. Here's the batteries. Okay, so the battery, they're 3.7 volts, 1500 milliamp batteries, and they are rechargeables. So we'll see how these perform. So yeah, the charger, it's a wall charger. So basically you just put the the batteries there, and plug it into the wall, and whenever they're ready, you're good to go. So lastly, let's check out the manual. Okay, so lastly, here's the owner's manual. Nothing fancy, nothing to it. Pretty much shows you basic parts and replacement parts or whatnot, what to do. And so yeah, like I said, this is just the unboxing video. On my next video we're gonna go ahead and run this bad boy. So yeah, stay tuned, and RC Basher Boy here. Thanks for watching.